Hello friend, this is Rakesh and welcome to our channel. Friend, today's video is different and it's about one travel scam that was recently detected in Goa. Friend, such travel scam can happen anywhere and we need to be very cautious and save ourselves from such scams. In this scam, a senior citizen couple from Goa, they almost lost 6 lakh rupees. But Goa police acted quickly and this senior citizen couple, they got their money back. So friend, the story begins in October 2024. A senior citizen couple in North Goa, they had bought one car and they were very happy. Then in April 2025, they started getting call from one woman, and this woman said that she is from the car company. Okay, and you people are lucky customers, and that is why you are getting voucher. Initially, this senior citizen couple said, "No, we are not interested." But this lady was frequently making them phone call. So this senior citizen couple said, let's give a try. Let's go and see. So this woman called them to a hotel in Anjuna. Anjuna is a well-known tourist destination in Goa, and this senior citizen couple went there to the hotel. And they were called in a big hall. When they went to that hall, they did not find this woman who was calling them. They did not find this woman. But there were two male representatives, and these male representatives said that they are from a travel company and they are selling travel packages for 25 years and costing around 6 lakh rupees. I read this story on local newspapers in Goa, and as per this news report, this travel company is based outside Goa. As per some report, it is from Delhi. This company is from Delhi. The two representatives said, if you buy our travel package for 6 lakh rupees, then you will get air tickets and hotel stay, 5-star hotel stay, and initially you have to pay 26,000 rupees. This senior citizen couple thought it's a good offer, why not to take it? So this senior citizen couple initially paid 26,000 rupees. Okay, everything went good. These two representatives, it seems, they noted down their credit card details. Okay, and then days passed, everything went well. Then after few days, this senior citizen couple, they wanted to go to Dubai. As their children are staying in Dubai, they wanted to go to Dubai and they wanted to book airline tickets. So they contacted this company, okay, this travel company, but they did not get any response. Then this senior citizen couple, they booked the ticket from their own money and they went to Dubai. Okay, they went to Dubai. After reaching Dubai, they were shocked. They got their bank details and they were shocked that around 5,75,000 rupees was, they had lost around 5,75,000 rupees, and they were shocked how it happened. Then they told this matter to their children. Then their children understood the case, what has happened, that their parents have been scammed. Then their children contacted Goa police and informed them about the matter, and they gave a complaint to Goa police. And then Goa police acted quickly, and Goa police went to the hotel where the senior citizens were called. This police got details of the company, the outside the so-called Delhi-based company. Later on, Goa police acted quickly and froze the account of this company, and that was a big move by Goa police. And this company, later on, they had no other option. They returned back money of the senior citizen, and senior citizen couple, they got their money back. So friend, this was the story. This can happen anywhere. We need to be very cautious. Even when I had bought my car, even I was getting calls from some woman, I don't know who, and even I was being told that you are getting some voucher or something. Even I refused. So we need to be very cautious and save ourselves from such scam. So friend, I will bring you some interesting videos from Goa. So do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and share this video on social media. Thanks a lot friends.